Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of being broke and eating ramen noodles for every meal? Well, don't worry, because in this video, we're going to show you 5 ways to make money online using the power of ChatGPT. And trust me, these methods are so easy, even a baby could do it. Method 1. Content creation. One way to make money online is by creating and sharing content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. By building a following and engaging with your audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With ChatGPT, you can use the model to generate creative ideas for content, write engaging captions and scripts, and optimize your videos for search engines. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the next big internet sensation and make enough money to finally afford those designer socks you've always wanted. To start creating content, you'll need to come up with an idea that's unique and engaging. You can use ChatGPT to help you research trending topics and come up with a content calendar. Once you have your ideas, you can use the model to help you write scripts, create thumbnails, and optimize your videos for search engines. Method 2. Online tutoring or coaching. Another way to make money online is by offering your skills and knowledge as an online tutor or coach. You can use tools like ChatGPT to create personalized lesson plans and answer student questions in real time. With ChatGPT, you can also create quizzes and practice exercises to help students better retain information. Additionally, you can use the model to research and provide additional resources to supplement your lessons. And the best part, no more dealing with parents who think their child is the next Albert Einstein. To start tutoring or coaching, you'll need to identify a subject or skill that you're passionate about and have a good understanding of. You can use ChatGPT to help you research demand for your subject and create a curriculum. Once you have your curriculum, you can use the model to help you create quizzes, answer student questions, and provide additional resources to supplement your lessons. Method 3. Selling products or services. You can also use ChatGPT to help you sell products or services online. For example, you can use the model to write product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products, create social media posts that attract potential customers, and answer customer questions in a professional and timely manner. And before you know it, you'll be living the life of a millionaire, buying yachts and diamond-studded toilet seats. To start selling products or services, you'll need to identify a product or service that you can offer that's unique and in demand. You can use ChatGPT to help you research the market and identify potential customers. Once you have a product or service, you can use the model to help you write product descriptions, create social media posts, and answer customer questions. Method 4. Online surveys and research. You can also make money online by participating in online surveys and research studies. ChatGPT can help you find and apply to survey and research opportunities that match your interests and qualifications. Additionally, you can use the model to analyze data and write reports on your findings, which can be sold to businesses or academic institutions. And who knows, maybe one day you'll discover the cure for the common cold. To start participating in online surveys and research, you'll need to find legitimate survey and research opportunities that match your interest and qualifications. You can use ChatGPT to help you research and apply to these opportunities. Once you're accepted, you can use the model to help you analyze data and write reports on your findings. These reports can then be sold to businesses or academic institutions for a profit. Method 5. Freelancing. Finally, you can use the skills you've acquired through using ChatGPT to make money as a freelancer. You can offer your services in writing, research, data analysis, and more. With ChatGPT, you can write compelling proposals, create personalized portfolios, and communicate effectively with clients to secure and maintain freelance gigs. And before you know it, you'll be the next Hemingway. To start freelancing, you'll need to identify a skill or service that you can offer that's in demand. You can use ChatGPT to help you research potential clients and create a portfolio. Once you have a portfolio, you can use the model to help you write proposals, communicate with clients, and manage projects. Those are just a few of the many ways you can make money online using the power of ChatGPT. Remember, the key to success is to find something you're passionate about and be willing to put in the work to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, if you're still broke after watching this video, at least you'll have a good sense of humor.